Enigmatica, a wireless and wired mechanical keyboard that is more than just a keyboard. Enigmatica can connect wireless or wired for a more stable connection. We worked hard on a redesigned layout built for a modern age. By reorganizing the keys, we have managed to create a layout which minimizes mistakes, increases accuracy and bolsters confidence. And with Enigmatica Safe Zone, you can be sure you will always hit the mark. Enigmatica Control Pad offers unprecedented amount of command over the functions of your device. Enigmatica is the most connected keyboard in the world, boasting 3 USB Type-C ports, 2 USB 3.0 ports and an audio jack. With the fastest ports and most reliable outputs, Enigmatica can connect in a variety of ways. Enigmatica keys come with innovative diagonal division that are lighter and stronger, lasting longer than usual. Our mechanical switches are the most reputable on the market, the Cherry MX Blue and MX Red switches. These are a staple of any good keyboard. All of these features mean that Enigmatica is twice as efficient as a regular keyboard. With a 6000 mAh battery, Enigmatica can last up to 6 months on a single charge. With a metal body construction, Enigmatica is one of the most durable keyboards ever made. Enigmatica RGB LEDs come with a fade-in, fade-out lighting effect for a more dramatic impact. We want you to feel confident when using Enigmatica. We want you to feel precise. We want you to feel in control. Enigmatica, more than just a keyboard.